How to disable microphone on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable microphone on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser, and here we'll find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find this one, sites and downloads. Click on it and then click site permissions, and here you will find a microphone. All you need to do is just click on it if you want to turn it off, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to disable microphone on Samsung. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.